What if right now you felt your body lift from the ground? The oceans rise above the clouds. Buildings tear themselves from the earth. And the moon drifts away into the black. In 10 seconds, everything you know disappears. To understand this moment, we must return to the beginning. Every moment of our existence depends on an invisible thread. Gravity. It holds oceans to their basins, anchors air to our lungs, and binds the moon to its eternal dance around Earth. It is silent, unseen, yet without it, there would be no sky, no ground, no life. Tonight we ask the impossible. What if that force simply stopped? It is the glue that binds the cosmos. From the tiniest grain of dust to the largest galaxy. Without it, the world we know would drift into chaos. In a single, impossible instant, gravity lets go. Second one, the oceans bulge upward as if the planet itself is exhaling. Second two, the air loosens its grip. 1,000 billion breaths begin to drift. By the fifth second, dust hangs motionless. Birds lose their sky, and people feel the floor falling away from under their feet. By the 10th, the world is a room with no ceiling. Everything that was bound begins to rise. At first, it feels like a dream. Serene, slow, and beautiful. People, vehicles, animals, everything begins to rise together, drifting as if underwater. Then the panic sets in. The oceans no longer have a bottom, and the clouds no longer a top. Buildings tear themselves from their foundations. Rivers, freed from gravity's leash, twist upward like serpents of silver. In moments, the planet becomes a slow-motion storm of everything once anchored, a ballet of chaos and silence. The blue fades to black at the edges of the world, and every inhale becomes a little harder to find. The oceans no longer know where to stay. Without gravity, their tides rise as colossal walls of water, breaking free from the basins that once held them. Waves drift upward, becoming shimmering clouds of liquid, scattering sunlight like diamonds. Marine life is suspended. Whales, plankton, entire ecosystems. Hanging motionless in a blue void. From the endless dark, a shimmer appears. The first dawn in a world that forgot to fall. Light has mass again. Shadows return. The air thickens. And the world begins to breathe. Then sound, a distant echo. A heartbeat, a whisper, the rustle of wind. Gravity hums its ancient song once more. And with a single step, the first in eternity, humanity touches the ground once more. The air trembles. The oceans stir. The silence after the storm is never empty. It carries the echo of everything that once was. And everything still waiting to be. Gravity was never just a force. It was the weight of our stories, the pull of every connection, the bond that kept the universe alive. Every heartbeat, every falling tear, every sunrise, all drawn together by an invisible hand that never let go. And in the end, the last gravity is love, the only force that never lets us drift away. Every bond, every step, every breath, held together by the same unseen hand that keeps the stars from falling. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button.